This is As the Graphics. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you just joined me for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel, put the notification button so you get notified whenever I post new videos on YouTube. And now I'm done, please share this video. You will enjoy it. Alright, so let's create this caricature, the big head with Pixellab. Okay, now we'll be making use of Lewis Hamilton, the very popular Formula One racer. So just okay, so should we still reduce it a bit? Now it's okay. Now this is your choice. So I'll just bring in this particular one. Come here to crop. Come here. Okay, this particular one. Let's see if there's any way I can still squeeze it a bit. Okay, this is quite okay. Now I will still come to crop again. Just position the head this way. Okay, let me increase the size and also come to eraser, increase the size, then just erase. Okay, I'll increase the size now. Come here and just bring it here. You know what? So the next thing I'll be doing is, I think, can I keep the neck? So let me increase the feather a bit. Then just keep some side of the neck. Okay. Alright, so I'll keep this here. So it's your choice now. Normally I don't like keeping the neck, but I just decided to keep the neck now. Shall I just get rid of the neck? But eraser. You know what? Let's just come here and make this thing perfect. Let's keep part of the neck and just it's too much. Let me reduce the size. Okay, so we've kept part of the neck, and so this is what we have. Lewis Hamilton. And sometimes I love getting rid of every part of the neck. I can just let me just duplicate this. Come here to an to eraser, zoom in. Let's see how many minutes. We spend about 3 minutes. I love getting rid of the neck completely. Okay, so we can now just successfully hide this one and just make use of this guy with the big head. Okay, now we can just see Lewis Hamilton, who succeeded in giving him small body and a big head. So this is what we're going to do. We'll merge these two together. Merge. Alright, so kindly subscribe to my channel in case you just joined me for the first time. Alright, so there's another thing we can do here. So the material is passworded. Now the password is cancel. The word cancel. Password. So this is the word cancel. We can spice this up a bit. Let's just add something. So this is a box. I'm going to put this baby into a box. So let me reduce this, bring in this, get rid of this. All right, so how we're gonna do this, just bring a max to enable, move this one here, so draw this here, draw this here. Enable. You can now see the baby is in the box, so I can just bring transparent and make it transparent and save my design. Save. All right, so that's everything for this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. And you can also go through some of my videos. You'll find them interesting. All right, that will be all. See you in the next video.